Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M31. The phone comes in color options of ocean blue, space black and iceberg blue. The phone has display of 6.4-inch, 16.21 cm, FHD plus resolution, 2340 by 1080, and 440p pixel density. The phone also has Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display. It has quad camera setup 64MP, f1.8. It has main camera plus, f2.2, ultra-wide camera, f2.2, and depth camera, f2.4. Macro camera, f2.0, and 16mm color support. It comes with 6000 mAh battery. It has 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory and expandable memory up to 512GB. It supports dual SIM. It runs on Android V 10.0 operating system. It is powered by 2.3 GHz plus 1.7 GHz Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM, GPS and music player, video player, FM radio and accelerometer. The delivery box contains handset, non-removable battery included, and travel adapter. USB cable, ejection pin, and user manual.